Hello, I'm Emerson. For today's bike check, we have here our Surly Steamroller. So this steamroller came from Jules. So ayun, natuwa ako sa kanya kasi yung colorway niya, yung banana yellow na colorway. And yan, medyo different siya dun sa bike ni Jules, yung setup niya because of the polished components na idea ni Jules for trackless. And this one is very different sa build setup niya. So I have a black tone for this one and also a accent for a silver accent. And yun nga, ang size ng frame set natin na steamroller is 49. So yung 49 na yan is yung seat tube, pero yung haba niya is usually nasa 52 yung size niya. And yan, start tayo sa cockpit. Ang cockpit natin, we have the Thomson Trail C. This one is a carbon, and also we have the Thomson X4. And on the seat post, we have the Thomson Elite na bended. Then also for the saddle, I have the fabric. Yung fabric is para sa akin comfort talaga. So ayun yung gusto ko kasi para yan, comfortability for seating and also for long ride, any rides, yan. And next is on the headset. Ang headset natin na nakakabit right now is White Industry. Ito, kasama ko to nakuha kay Jules, yung White Industry. Yan. Then also the seat clamp. We have Phil seat clamp here. Ito yung logo. That's it. Yan. Yan, wala pang linis-linis to right now eh. Tapos, dun tayo ngayon sa wheel set. Ang wheel set natin is Suzu Pro Max hubs. We have the rims for H+ Lan formation face. And nakakabit na tire is we have the Gravel King SS. And also at the back, also we have the Suzu Pro Max din na hubs. Syempre set yan. Then isang rims din na formation face, this one. Then also a Gravel King. And yung nakakabit pala na cogs dito is LCT. And yung lock ring niya is, nakalimutan, tawag ko? Ardently, tama? Yeah, Ardently. Yan. Then, on the drivetrain, we have here a Sugino 75. Ito yung galing kay Manoy. Thank you, Noy. And also yung ARN na chainring, 47 teeth. Then, yung nakakabit naman na PEDS, toe cage setup, you have the MKS Royal Nuevo. And for the strap, yung strap naman natin na gamit is di pa kasi nakabili, pero galing to sa TP. Then yung toe cage is Mush toe cage. Ano pa ba? And yun nga, meron tayong mga bike accessories. We have the Surly na, ano tawag nga ulit dito? Tag nut. Yun. Then also we have the Rip and Deep na state bicycle na battle cage. Tama no? Naka-ano pa siya eh. Ayoko na sabihin. So, ayan. Commuter build, tracklo build. So, usually ito yung ginagamit ko pampasok and also pag may laro siguro. Then, kita-kits pala sa Wednesday kay Kuya Puno Tracklo, Sunday. So, shout out sa mga tropa natin dyan. Live Fast, Die Last. Live Fast, Die Fast. Pista Manila, keep shredding, and yun nga, nanalo pala to sa bike show sa Halitan 4. Let's go! Yan. Shout out kila Recta, sila Denver. Yan. And also for Cogs and Lock Rings. Yan. Thank you so much and happy birthday, Jewel! Thank you. Happy birthday, Habibi!